So, how are you, Engineer Muhammad Waleed here? Today I will tell you that how to install software, okay, Primavera P6. For the installation of software Primavera P6, first of all, open your Google account, okay, Google, and then go to the Google and write here www.getintopc.com. Okay, after right here, just click here, you will see this window before you. After watching this window, just find out here. I have already find different softwares on which I am working. So you should write here about Primavera P6 and then enter. You can see that there are different versions into it, but normally I used professional Primavera P6 and it's okay. I normally create different plans on it, schedules, execution, reports, dashboards. It's really okay. Okay, there is no error on it. Okay, so after click here, scroll it down and just click on the download full setup. Once you click on the download full setup, okay, you will find out that it is now requesting from you to download this software. Wait for a while. You can see that download has been started on the right side of the window. If you have a internet download manager, then it's really and more good. So after downloading, once it got downloaded, I already downloaded to save the time. Open where it got download, okay, and I think so. My download is done on Primavera P6. Now your download will be like that. In this file, getintopc.com, like in this file, in this form of file, you will get after the downloading of the Primavera P6. Once you will get this file after downloading, just double click here and you should write here the password 1, 2, and 3. Right here, 1, 2, 3 is the password, like 1, 2, and 3 is the password for the Primavera P6, and just OK. Make sure that you should install WinRAR from your Google. What is WinRAR? If you don't find any option here, like you are watching the WinRAR here, then come to the Google and you should install here WinRAR, because without WinRAR you will never download it. WinRAR and WinRAR download like 64-bit, and just come to the WinRAR download latest version. Okay, here, and what you will do, just click here for the WinRAR. Now you can see this format of file. This format of file you can see. Okay, but I have already installed this WinRAR in my laptop, so I don't need to install it. If you don't have, you can install this WinRAR. Now after installing the software, downloading it, just select these two both files, select him, select them, and just drag it out. After drag it out and pull it out and then left the click, like once you left the click, these files are automatically dragged out from your PC, from your downloading window. So once it get out, wait for a while, yes, replace the file destination because I already have. So what you do, you should come to the Primavera P6 Professional 17.7. Just double click here and just double click on the Primavera P6 Professional and then click on the setup. Once you click on the setup, it is the first one given you is typical and the other one is given you advanced. The first thing is that you should click on the typical, just OK. Ready to install Primavera P6 Professional, and just click on the install and then click on yes. So you can see that the software has been downloaded and installed. So you have to select the third one, run database configuration, and keep it as it is and do it OK. After it, this is very important point. The some people do just do it next and they found error. Do not do it next, but first of all, you should select what type of database you want to add. Click on the P6 professional driver type. Just click here and select the last one, Primavera P6 standalone SQLite. But if you don't have this option, SQLite, then you can select Oracle also. But if you have this option, Primavera P6 standalone SQLite, then it's more good. Just click here, do it next. And now it is given you that either you have already connection or you want to add new connection. Okay, so at this time I am making my own connection, my new connection. So just click on the add new connection and just do it next. And now it is asking you what you want the name of the login name and what is actually your personal name, like PC name. You should write here the password. For example, I write here my password. Keep remember this password, okay, don't forget, because once you start the Primavera pieces you should have to write this password and do it next. Where you want to save this file, I want to save my file as it is in the C file. Do it next and just do it finish. After finish it, the Primavera P6 is actually installed in your laptop. Once you close this window and close it as well, so how you can find this file? Now come to your type here to search, come to your control panel and found here P6. Only write here P6, okay, don't need to write anything else, only write here P6. You will find here P6 Professional 17x cross 64. Just right click here and click on open file location. Just click here. After click on the open file location, right click here and now make a create a desktop and shortcut on a desktop and send to desktop, create shortcut of this file. Make sure the P6 Professional 17 x cross 64. Do it close and now at this time open your software and write one any password you have given and OK. And the appropriate industry for your organization has not yet been selected. Admin preference, please contact your administrator. Okay, we will make it fix in our laptop in our Primavera P6. So once your P6 is opened, you can see that now this software has been working in the working format. Okay, just go to the admin and go to the admin preferences in order to finish this option and come to the industry. And at this time we are using engineering and construction. So check it here and just close here and now OK and just close here. Now again, yes, and now again you will not find any error regarding your like we were facing before. You will not find any error now. Okay, because the Primavera P6 has got option to how to install actually. It will take some time in the starting. So you can see that now the you have not faced any error. Okay, so thank you very much. It is a process that how to install the Primavera P6. Okay, in our next classes I will tell you about some files, some Excel files of our P6 that how actually work of our Excel files here. We will do work on different files like Excel files here. I have created like how to assign the program calculations for these resources, how to assign these resources by the Primavera P6. I have some sheets like overtime factor. I have overtime factor formulas. I will tell you that how we can assign these overtime factor formulas. I have some sheets like resource productivity sheets. Okay, I will tell you that how we can use these different sheets like these productivity sheets in our software. Okay, so thank you very much.